Ever feel like your body is stuck in slow motion? Maybe you're getting over an injury, trying to shake off a stubborn illness, or just feeling completely worn down by the daily grind. You're doing all the right things, like getting plenty of rest and staying hydrated, but the healing process is just dragging on, leaving you feeling frustrated and impatient. It's a really tough spot to be in, feeling like your own body is working against you when you need it most. But what if you could flick a switch and supercharge your internal repair system? What if the secret wasn't some expensive supplement or a complicated, trendy health regimen, but was actually already sitting in your kitchen, waiting for you? Today, we're diving into 8 simple, everyday snacks that can help turn your body into a powerful healing machine, getting you back on your feet faster than you might think. First up, at number 1, let's talk about a handful of colorful berries. Think of blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries as your delicious first line of defense. These little gems are absolutely packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants. Now, why is that so important? Well, your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, which is the protein that literally rebuilds tissues and heals wounds. So if you've got a cut or are recovering from surgery, collagen is your best friend. At the same time, those antioxidants I mentioned work to calm down inflammation. Chronic inflammation can seriously slow down your recovery, so having these antioxidants on your side is a huge advantage. A simple bowl of mixed berries isn't just a tasty treat. It's an effective way to give your repair process a serious kickstart. Next at number 2, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds are so much more than just a crunchy treat. They're loaded with resources your body is desperate for when it's repairing itself. They're a fantastic source of plant-based protein, healthy fats, and essential minerals like zinc and magnesium, all of which support tissue regeneration. Protein provides the amino acids that are the literal building blocks for new tissue, and your body's demand for them skyrockets during recovery. Walnuts get a special shout out here because they're incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help ease swelling and pain. Just a small handful can provide the sustained fuel your body needs to rebuild and repair. Number 3 might not scream snack at first glance, but leafy greens like spinach and kale are absolute nutritional powerhouses for healing, and you can get creative. It's easy to blend them into a smoothie for a quick, nutrient-packed drink, or even bake them into crispy kale chips. Leafy greens are loaded with nutrients that decrease inflammation, enhance immune function, and aid in tissue repair. They're rich in vitamin C, manganese, and magnesium, which are all essential for your immune system to function at its best. In fact, certain antioxidants found in leafy greens can help quiet down inflammatory responses, allowing your body to focus its energy where it's needed most, on healing. Coming in at number 4 are sweet potatoes. When your body is in healing mode, your cells need a ton of energy. And sweet potatoes offer a fantastic source of healthy carbohydrates to provide that fuel. But that's not all. They're also packed with vitamin A, which is critical for a healthy immune response because it helps regulate your immune cells. It's also vital for keeping your skin healthy during wound healing. On top of that, they contain vitamin C and manganese, which further support your immune system and the enzymes that get wound repair done. Try them baked into fries or wedges for a snack that is both deeply satisfying and perfectly focused on healing. At number 5, we have Greek yogurt. You might not think about it, but your gut health is directly linked to how well and how quickly your body heals. And that's where this snack really shines. Being sick or taking certain medications can throw off the natural, delicate balance of your gut bacteria. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, the good bacteria that help restore that balance. A healthy gut supports your digestion and helps you absorb all the other wonderful nutrients from your food. Plus, Greek yogurt is an amazing source of high-quality protein, which, as we know, is absolutely vital for repairing and rebuilding everything from muscles to other tissues. Our 6th snack is one of the simplest and most effective healing snacks out there, the humble hard-boiled egg. As I mentioned, your body's protein needs can jump significantly when you're recovering. Eggs are what's known as a complete protein, which means they provide all 9 of the essential amino acids your body needs for repairing tissue but can't make on its own. Specific amino acids found in eggs, like arginine and leucine, play a huge role in wound healing and immune function, making them a perfect, portable, and powerful snack to support your recovery. For our 7th snack, we've got whole grain crackers topped with creamy avocado. This delicious combo offers a fantastic balance of nutrients for recovery. The whole grains provide a steady, slow-release source of energy and fiber, which keeps you fueled without a sugar crash. Meanwhile, avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats and the antioxidant vitamin E. Those healthy fats are crucial for repairing cell membranes, and vitamin E acts as a bodyguard for your cells, protecting them from damage while supporting your immune health. Together, they make a satisfying anti-inflammatory snack that gives your body the sustained fuel it needs to heal. Finally, at number 8, we have a warm, comforting cup of broth-based soup. While it might feel more like a light meal, A simple chicken or vegetable broth is incredibly hydrating. It helps replenish fluids and electrolytes you can easily lose when you're sick. When you add in some vegetables and a protein source like chicken or beans, it transforms into a nutrient-dense powerhouse. This combination delivers protein for tissue repair, a variety of vitamins for immune function, and the hydration your body needs to run like a well-oiled machine. There's a reason we crave soup when we're not feeling well. It's exactly what our body needs. So, which of these healing snacks are you going to try first? I'd love to hear about it, so let me know down in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with someone you know who's on their own healing journey. It's pretty amazing how simple, everyday foods can have such a big impact on our body's ability to repair itself. By strategically picking snacks that are rich in protein, antioxidants, and key vitamins, you're not just quieting a rumbling stomach, you're actively taking part in your own recovery process. Making these small, delicious changes can really add up, helping you build a stronger, healthier, and more resilient you. Thanks for watching, and here's to a speedy recovery.